Welcome to our channel. Unlock the easiest and fastest method to activate Sling TV on your Samsung TV and start streaming instantly. Welcome to our channel if you own a Samsung Smart TV and want to enjoy Sling TV on it. We have the quickest and simplest method ready for you to start streaming in no time. First, make sure your Samsung TV is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Now let's get started to activate Sling TV. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung TV and navigate to the Smart Hub by pressing the Home button on your remote. Step 2. Using the directional buttons, go to the Apps section. Step 3. In the App Store, use the search function and type Sling TV. Step 4. Locate the Sling TV app in the search results and select it. Step 5. Click on the Install button to download the Sling TV app on your TV. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, open the Sling TV app. Step 7. You will see an activation screen with an activation code displayed on your TV. Note down this code. Step 8. Open a web browser on your smartphone, tablet, or computer and go to activation.sling.com. Step 9. Enter the activation code exactly as shown on your TV screen and click on Continue. Step 10. Log into your Sling TV account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 11. After successful login, the Sling TV app on your Samsung TV will refresh automatically and start streaming your favorite channels and content. Step 12. Enjoy watching Sling TV on your Samsung Smart TV. With all the features available, this straightforward step-by-step method lets you quickly set up Sling TV and start watching without hassle. For best performance, keep your TV software updated and ensure a strong internet connection. Don't forget, this method works universally for most Samsung Smart TVs that support app installation. So now sit back, relax, and enjoy endless entertainment at your fingertips.